To the electric heart of the battery, we oversee every step. This is the origin of true luxury. From the precise welding of the chassis to the seamless integration of the battery, every step is a marvel of automated engineering right here in Shenzhen. Welcome to the BYD Performance Plant, where raw materials begin their journey to become the emerald green Yangwang U9 supercar. Welcome to the BYD Superfactory. This highly organized logistics bay showcases the precision of our engineering. This state-of-the-art facility operates with unparalleled precision. The integration of our electric forklifts and This is where engineering marvels begin. The machinery works with relentless precision, reflecting our dedication to flawless material preparation. The machinery acts as an extension of the worker's precision, perfectly aligning the foundation of the vehicle as the polished aluminum glides smoothly along the conveyor belt. Here you see the molten aluminum, guided by these colossal robotic arms. It's a fiery dance of precision, showcasing molten aluminum, glowing fiercely, is precisely cast by our advanced machinery. This is where the future of automotive manufacturing begins. Utilizing state-of-the-art robotics, we transform raw materials into the heart of tomorrow's vehicles, right here in Shenzhen. From the raw composites bath, we transition to the precision of aerospace-grade engineering. This is where the future takes shape. This is where the magic happens. Our unique color chemistry creates this signature emerald finish, ensuring every vehicle meets our rigorous standards. The precise programming of these robotic arms reflects our tireless pursuit of perfection, operating flawlessly without human intervention. These synchronized robotic arms perform precise spot welds in rapid succession, showcasing the sheer speed.
The relentless pace of the robotic welders highlights the sheer volume and speed of modern supercar manufacturing.
Cabin crossmembers and parcel shelf panels strengthen the interior structure. While the cabin structure takes shape with robotic precision, we now turn our attention to the very lifeblood of the vehicle. The raw materials for the battery packs are introduced, showcasing the gritty beginning of the vehicle's electrical heart. Deep inside the battery shop, tiny cells are born, charged, and aged to power this electric beast. The high-speed winding machines operate with dizzying speed, assembling the core elements of the battery cells. Watch as these cylindrical cells are filled with bright green digital energy, reaching 100% capacity in mere sealed cells, undergo leak testing and quality checks on a carousel test rig. As the lithium cells clear the testing rig, the foundation for the battery pack moves steadily down the line, ready to receive its core.
Those cells are packed into robust modules and structural packs, tested and ready to drop into the chassis.
Here we see the heart of the battery, the management system being installed by our precise robotics. Once secured, the completed blade batteries move to the next stage. Rigorous stress testing ensures every single battery pack can handle extreme performance demands safely. Here we see the HV battery pack being moved by our AGVs, ensuring a flawless transition to the next stage of assembly. In the drive unit hall, motors, e-axles, and inverters are machined, assembled, and dyno tested for brutal performance. The massive CNC machinery demonstrates the sheer scale and precision required for the vehicle's structural powerhouses. The tireless automation ensures that each engine block meets the exact, uncompromising tolerances needed for high performance. The intricate winding of copper highlights the shift from structural metal to the electromagnetic core of the electric motors. Rotors are assembled and pressed onto shafts to complete the motor rotors. The completed motor undergoes rigorous dynamometer testing to ensure it delivers the explosive torque required by the supercar. Behold the heart of our electric vehicles, the multi-gear transmission. These heavy-duty components handle the immense power with flawless precision. The drivetrain is subjected to intense stress testing, proving its readiness for the extreme forces of track driving. The complex brain of the power delivery system is assembled here, High-speed SMT lines precisely place delicate electronics into the robust aluminum housings. We transition from the internal electronics to the external skin, emphasizing the diverse materials used in the chassis: panel stamping, castings, and composites. The immense force of the stamping press shapes the vehicle's structural backbone out of flat metal. This is where the engineering marvel begins. The stamping press provides the initial form, followed by the intense heat of castings are trimmed and machined into precise structural components. The lightweight, aerospace-grade carbon fiber components are cured under extreme pressure to achieve maximum strength. This is where the cured carbon fiber is meticulously trimmed to its final, perfect aerodynamic shape, be the automated router. The various stamped and cast pieces are finally brought together, forming the rigid skeleton of the vehicle. This is the body-in-white assembly.
The first Hero Yangwang U9 Low BIW is framed, joining floor, castings, and sides.
The chaotic sparks of the spot welders are replaced by a focused, intense beam of light. A specialized robotic arm glides smoothly along. The internal skeleton is further reinforced, ensuring the cabin can handle immense torsional forces on the track. Industrial sealants are meticulously applied to ensure a perfectly watertight and acoustically dampened cabin. Temporary bracing maintains the frame's precise geometry while critical sealants are laid down around the door openings. The chassis high-tech optical sensors confirm the chassis meets micromillimeter tolerances before it can proceed down the line.
The scanning process is exhaustive, leaving no curve, angle, or weld unchecked by the digital eyes.
This is where the future takes shape. Our automated systems precisely grind every seam, achieving an absolutely flawless finish before painting.
Protective coatings are generously applied to the undercarriage to guard against the elements and road debris.
The vehicle enters the pristine environment of the paint shop, ready to receive its transformative cosmetic layers. Here at the sanding station, the E-coated chassis undergoes meticulous preparation. The panels are lightly sanded and cleaned to ensure perfect primer adhesion. The precision of our robotic painters guarantees a flawless, even coat of primer across the entire vehicle body, an engineering marvel in action. The intense heat of the curing oven permanently bonds the primer to the metal, readying it for the base coat in a flawless process. The precision of these synchronized robotic arms ensures a flawless application of our signature emerald green, showcasing the marvel of our engineering. The chassis continues its journey through the brightly lit paint line, passing under rows of automated overhead sprayers, ensuring a perfect finish every time. Clear coat is sprayed over the green base coat, building a deep, glossy finish. The extreme heat solidifies the glossy exterior, locking in the vibrant color and protecting it from the elements. The completed body shells emerge from the paint shop, a stunning line of identical, flawless emerald jewels moving down the conveyor track. Welcome to the chassis line, where brute force meets precision engineering. This massive forging press shapes the very backbone of your new BYD vehicle. High-precision machining refines the suspension components that will give the Supercar its agile handling.
The synchronization of these robotic arms is truly a marvel. Watch as they construct the heavy-duty subframes with unparalleled precision and speed.
Here, factory workers meticulously test individual suspension components to guarantee flawless handling dynamics. Advanced CNC. Here we see the raw machining of the ventilated brake discs by our CNC lathes. It's this blend of robotic precision and skilled human assembly that defines our process. The human touch ensures the most critical safety components are perfectly installed and secured. The complex drivetrain takes shape, combining robust mechanical parts with high-speed automated precision assembly. The automated logistics system orchestrates the massive flow of parts, bringing the complete subassemblies to the main line. The most crucial marriage of the electrical power and the physical chassis is executed with laser-guided precision. Utilizing laser precision, the skateboard chassis is fully realized. This rolling powerhouse is now ready to receive its aerodynamic body. The integration of these power electronics and front cooling modules, mounted precisely between the towers, is essential for the extreme performance you're seeing. The fully assembled rolling chassis smoothly navigates toward its final destination before the pivotal marriage sequence. And now, the most magical moment of assembly, where the beautiful green shell meets the powerful chassis. The interior structure and electronics are critical. Here, our skilled technicians meticulously weave the complex nervous system of wires throughout the cabin. The interior takes shape as workers connect central control modules. A worker carefully plugs electronic connectors into the wiring harness. Seat foam and premium upholstery are added, completing the U9's sport seats. Attention to detail is everything. Watch as the final trims are secured on these sport seats, ensuring a flawless finish. Inside the state-of-the-art BYD factory, precision is paramount. From the floor mats to the polished Yangwang sills, our skilled technicians ensure every component is flawless. And here, the vehicle's digital brain springs to life. Advanced lasers and human expertise work together to guarantee flawless exterior panel alignment. In this state-of-the-art light tunnel, every vehicle undergoes rigorous inspection. Our skilled technicians meticulously measure
The gap check concludes, and the robotic arm places the windshield with absolute perfection, sealing the cabin with incredible precision.
The aggressive aerodynamic elements are carefully attached, giving the supercar its fierce, track-ready posture. This is the culmination of engineering excellence. Our robotic assistants ensure every component from the finished vehicle now faces its simulated test drive, meticulously assessing the fluids, HV, alignment, ADAS, and software integration. This emerald finish isn't just paint, it's a statement. Achieved by our detailing specialists using state-of-the-art polishers for that perfect mirror sheen. Here in the detailing studio, our technicians ensure every Yangwang U9 achieves a flawless, mirror-like finish before it leaves the plant. The vehicle's advanced sensory arrays are perfectly tuned, giving the car its eyes for the road ahead. Our technicians ensure every digital system is flawlessly synced. We then proceed to dynamic validation. Utilizing advanced robotics and the skilled hands of our technicians, we ensure every surface is flawless. This is the future of automotive manufacturing. Every detail is scrutinized. The Yangwang emblem represents not just luxury, but the pinnacle of precision engineering. Here, in our immaculately clean charging bay, the U9 receives its final burst of power. This 3D scanner ring, equipped with high-resolution cameras, meticulously documents the finished emerald green exterior in the studio booth. Here in Shenzhen, precision is paramount, and once the final checks are complete, the BYD U9 is ready to unleash its power. Here at the BYD test track, the U9 is pushed to the absolute limits, demonstrating the unparalleled precision of our Dices X system. The U9 continues to speed away down the twilight track. The scene cuts to an indoor wash bay. High-pressure jets blast thick, The automated system provides a gentle, touchless dry to protect the delicate finish for the final inspection.
Hero Beauty, yard storage and shipping.
The camera lingers on the aggressive lines and striking color, letting the vehicle's design speak for itself. The camera slowly pushes in on the stand-in. We begin our tour focusing on the meticulous badging and aerodynamic features. Note the intricate LED headlight cluster is elegance. The rear profile emphasizes the supercar's wide stance and massive downforce generating components. The finished U9 rolls slowly out of the iron door bay Y toward the yard entrance. The emerald green U9 represents the pinnacle of our engineering, and as we pan out, you can see the sheer volume of our state-of-the-art production line here in Shenzhen. As you can see, our Shenzhen facility is operating at an unprecedented scale, showcasing the immense output capabilities of modern EV production. The organized logistics continue indoors, keeping the premium vehicles protected before global distribution. Thanks for joining this factory journey from raw metal to Yangwang U9 supercar. If you enjoyed it, like, share, and subscribe.